Hi everyone, Terry from Terry's O-Gauge Trains back with another video. And a video challenge for anyone seeing this video or my subscribers. As you see, I've got 3 Commodore Vanderbilts on the layout. The one on the outer loop with the red passenger train is mine, as is the one up on the upper loop. That's the one I just acquired from Popaville O-Gauge Trains. I'll zoom in there, you can see it. And the inner rail is a Commodore Vanderbilt set that has been in my family for 3 generations. It was my dad's childhood train. He passed it to my older brother Nelson, who then passed it on to my nephew Shannon. It now doesn't have the original pre-war motor anymore. I had to put a post-war in because the pre-war motor, the field coil went bad and it wouldn't run anymore. But other than that, the shell and everything, that is original. It even has the original pre-war wheels. But my challenge is to you out there is, I would like, if you have a Commodore Vanderbilt by Marx, I want to see it. I want to see you run your Commodore Vanderbilts. They can be electric, they can be wind-ups. This actually was a wind-up before I converted it to electric. Pre-war, post-war, you can have tin litho cars with them. You can even hook it to a Lionel consist if you want and have the Commodore pull that. It doesn't matter. I just want to see them run. You can be a regular full-length video, or you can do it in a short. But get creative. So hashtag your video Terry's Marx Commodore Vanderbilt Challenge, and we'll see how many of these old Commodore Vanderbilts we can get running on video. So without further ado, I'll start mine up and we'll let you see them run. Here we go. Here you go. Okay, that'll do it for this video. Remember for the Terry's O-Gauge, Terry's Marx Commodore Vanderbilt Challenge. Hashtag it as that. And let me see your Commodore Vanderbilts running. That'll be it for Terry's O-Gauge Trains. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and share. And please forgive my tripping over my tongue. Thank you very much.